Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this quick tutorial, I'm gonna show that how to lock your SIM by a pin. For these settings, you have to open settings on your device. After opening settings, you have to search here SIM lock, and here you can see setup SIM card lock. Click to set up SIM card lock, then turn it on. Then enter your current SIM card pin. Your current SIM card pin is 1234. You can change it from here. Enter your current SIM card pin and then enter a new SIM card pin. Then you can change your SIM card pin from here and turn it on. If you turn it on, only you can able to running your SIM on any device after enter the pin. Not anyone can running this SIM on any device without the pin. Friends, that was the video topic. If this video helpful to you, please like, comment, share and subscribe to my YouTube channel and press the bell icon for getting new videos notification. I will come with another new exciting video. Till then, take care. Bye bye my dear friends.